नमस्कार दोस्तों. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this is a technical video. Okay, I have a good news to share with you all of you, and that good news is I have been now qualified as an AWS certified solution architect associate. So recently, 2 days ago, I have qualified this exam, and I have been preparing it for 3 months. And in this video, I will share you the guide that I prepared. Although I have already told you, like I was skilled as a, not I will say completely DevOps engineer, but yeah, not less than that. Okay, so I was working from past 5 years of my career in the AWS domain as a platform engineer, as a solution architect, and as a support infra support engineer also. If you want, you can see my LinkedIn profile to gain to get the most of the knowledge and worthiness. So my skill sets and experience comes from AWS background. So I have qualified this AWS certified solution architect, and yeah, I will share you one by one detail and everything that I have prepared while solving the questions, giving the mock test, and how I paid for the certification exam. Obviously, it was sponsored by my company. So let's go.
So, hey guys, this is my screen laptop, and I'm going to share you every step that I followed to prepare for the AWS Certified Solution Architect exam, and what practice tests I have done or given, and each and every step I followed within 3 months that in order to crack the exam and become the officially AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. Okay, so most of you know, I will note down here that I am a experienced and skilled AWS professional. So the exam was not much difficult for me because I knew most of the basic concepts that I've applied in my day-to-day activities in my jobs as well as in my previous companies with my past experiences. And most of you know that in upskilling and learning, I always go and follow the Udemy website. Now, there are other platforms also like LinkedIn Learning and Skillshare or Coursera, but I follow Udemy most of the time. So now you might be saying like, okay, these are the courses that I followed for theoretical practices and exams. This is one of the course that is very good in Udemy and it is very cheaply available. Okay, although this might appear to you all, to my audience, that these are not completed, but I utilized from my company's official Udemy account to learn and upskill myself. Okay, so this is one of the course by Stephen Maarek tutor, which is available in Udemy, and course is particularly for the exam AWS Solution Architect Associate. Okay, so you can go with all of these sections in your free time, or when you are doing a job, or whenever you want to upskill yourself. Okay, this is one of the course that I did, and most of the concepts were already known to me, but I got a good revision or hands-on experience by following this course and going through it. And I'm a type of learner who is more into hands-on experience, or you can say that I learn more from practicing questions than just the theoretical. Okay, so while giving any exams, I follow this approach. Different people have different abilities and strategy to pass the exams. I have this that I may go through one of the tutorials, whether it is given in Udemy or if it is given in official website of AWS. Okay, so I practice a lot, and I will say there are two. Okay, you can go with another course which is given by Neil Davis in Udemy. I will also share the links of these courses in this YouTube video description. Okay, so okay, now after this, after you have completed the theoretical exam from this one by Stephen Maarek or Neil Davis, or even when you go to Solution Architect official website of AWS, there you can go and you can click on get trained, find training by topic, find classroom training. These are all being given by AWS free of cost. Okay, only in Udemy you go, you have to purchase the cost, but I don't think it is very expensive. Like if you are in India, you can get the course at 400, 500 range of courses. And even I have heard like in any Western countries or in foreign countries, you can get the courses as less than as like $10 or $20. So I don't think it is very on a upper side of cost. Okay, so this is one of the more things or the page. So when we compare it to the learning courses that are available, or you know learning abilities that are available, all are available on the internet. You just have to go and learn it. So that is one of the theoretical course, and this is one one of the practice test. This one and this one, I officially took both of these courses. Okay, there are 6 practice tests, and I would emphasize more on learning by practicing more and more questions. Okay, why am I saying this? Because see, the exam pattern. Okay, when you go schedule an exam, or let's say schedule an exam, or when you go and see the exam pattern on the AWS, right now I'm not able to see where it is, but I will tell you. This particular course consists of 65 questions, out of which 15 questions are unscored, and the percentage of the passing is 72%. So you can see in that 72%, you just need to score 35 questions correctly. Now, in order to correctly answer those questions, there are two types of questions that are being asked in this exam. One is the single choice. Okay, single choice. There will be 4 options, and you have to select one correct option. And there are also, I think, around 15 questions which are multiple choices. Okay, you have to select one or more than one options, two or three. It is given in the questions that might be correct in that exam that you are sitting in. So that's why I always emphasize that you practice more and more, whether it is given in AWS official website or in Udemy, to get the best results. Okay, so these are the learnings or the preparation guide that I will say I followed, and I will share with you. And if you're interested, please go through it. Now, one more thing, the cost of this exam, let me tell you. Let me open it, and we will see it one by one. One more thing I will tell, like preparing for this exam and going through it, I would also recommend you to hands-on practice it while going through the Udemy courses or Need Levis, any of the courses. Create your own AWS account, and practice it with your own. Uh, Practice it so that you can get a hands-on experience. Okay, so this is my account in AWS, and I'm gonna show you. I got certified. And I will also show you the exam structure. 65 questions, 15 unscored, and 50 multiple choice will be there. And you can see after a long time I have taken such any certification, and yeah, it feels good when you have passed it. Obviously, you have to put in some time and efforts to pass the certification. The cost of this exam is 150 US dollar. Now, certainly for my side, my company gave me the one coupon, and I utilized it. I think it is 150 plus 23 or 24, somewhere around it. It is the tax, so around 175 or 177. Total cost of the examination will be there, and you can select any on Pearson view, any time and date slot according to your free, whenever you are free and available to give the exam. Obviously, there is a wait time for receiving the results. Now, I think AWS doesn't give you uh, like it doesn't give you immediately the results whether you are passed or failed. It takes around 1 or 2 days. For me, it came around after 48 hours. All right, so here how you can register for the exam. You can go and see for many exams that how you can register and apply for the schedule or date and time for all the exams that are already here. Okay, so these are the guides that I would share. Okay, I will one by one paste it in the description section of this video. And please, guys, if you want any help, anything, reach out to me in LinkedIn, YouTube, comments, anything. I really like to help anyone who is trying to professionally upscale themselves or learn themselves and do better. Okay, you can see in my professional Scrum Master videos also. She have asked it, and I have thoroughly replied them what courses, what practice exams I have followed, and I went on to in this AWS certification and training, gave the mock test over here also. Okay, so yeah, so if you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you.
So hope you liked this video, and you can ask me any questions, feedbacks, or anything that you are preparing for regarding AWS and its coupon, or how to practice more and more. I have heard this phrase that practice makes a man perfect, and what I believe is that whenever you are solving a mock exam or you are giving the best in your test or in any practice test, whatever the questions that you have done wrong, like it is my strategy, okay, whatever the questions I have done wrong, I go back to the theory and point it out one by one and revise it again, okay, in the theory. Okay, so this is my approach. It makes me more, improve me on the any exams that I set, whether it is on engineering, college, certification, JEE, GATE, everything. So hope all the best if you are preparing for the exams, and you can reach out to me in LinkedIn or in YouTube comment section and anywhere you want. I will be very happy to help you guys. Thank you.